Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to learn about the average function, the Averageif function and Averageifs function in Excel. So let's get started. So the first thing here is we need to find the average. So I have my total sales here in this table. As you can see, the sales is for the year 2021 and 2022. These are my different set of products. Mainly I've got 4 products here, and there is a t-shirt, there is blazers, hat, and there is a t-shirt M size. We have the region, which is the north and the south region, and these are the total sales values. So first of all, let's look at the average formula. Let's see how do we calculate the average. So to start any function in Excel, you have to press an equal to sign, so equal to average, and then I have to select my range. So I will select my range from here, which starts from D2 until D8. So I'll close my bracket, and then you can see I've found the average. So the average of the total sales values given here is 23628.43. So in this way you can calculate the average of given range. Now let's look at the next function which we have here, that is your Averageif function. So here the Averageif function allows you to calculate the average based on a given criteria. So you can specify a single criteria and you can calculate the average. So here my criteria is hat, so I will use my Averageif function to calculate the average of the sales that is done for the product hat. Okay, so I will say equal average, and this time I will use Averageif. So I will say Averageif, and then I have to select my range. So my range here would be the criteria range. So that is this one here, which starts from B2 until B8. Then I have to specify my criteria. So my criteria is hat. So I will select this cell here, C12. And then I have to specify my average range. So the average range starts from D2 until D8. I will close my bracket and press enter. So you can see the average is 1700. So I have my hat here, which is the total sales in the year 2022 is 2100. In 2021 it is 1300. When I select these two values, you can see here in the status bar, the average is displayed as 1700. So here with the Averageif formula also, we are getting the average, which is 1700. Now let's look at the last one, which is Averageifs. So how do we do that? Here, as you can see, we have two criteria given. So we have the year 2021, and then we have the region, which is north. So I would like to know the average sale that is done for the year 2021 in the north region. Okay, so how do we do that? We will say equal to average ifs, and I will open the bracket. Now this time I have to select my average range first. So my average range is this one, which starts from D2 to D9. It's D8, D2 to D8, and then I will say comma, criteria range 1. So the criteria range 1 would be the year. So this is my range here, and then comma, I have to specify my criteria 1. So that is the year 2021, which is in this cell, comma, then criteria range 2. So the criteria range 2 would be this one, and then I have to specify my criteria. So the criteria is north. So I will, that is here on the cell C15. So I will put C15, and then I will close my bracket. So when I close this, you can see my average is calculated. So for the year 2021 in the region north, we have this average. So the total average sales is 13499.5. So which is here actually. Let me show you that. So in the year 2021, this is the first entry that we can see here, which is for the north region, And in this table here, as you can see, another entry for the year 2021 in the north region is found here. So I'll press the control key and I'll select this last value. So here in the status bar, you can see the average of that, right? So that is 13499.5. So I hope that this video has been informative for you. Please share this video with your friends and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.